morning, everyone. Welcome back to True Telos Trading. Today is August 18th. We have another A quality stock we traded this morning. It was a little bit slow this morning, but we got our A quality stock and we are positive on the day. Let's go ahead and get into that trade. This morning, the stock that we traded, the ticker on it was SNGX. Again, today is August 18th, 2025. The stock did have breaking news this morning. This will be a 3 here on our True Telos Trading grading scale. The float was below 10 million. It was 9 million, as a matter of fact, so this will be a 2. It was trading above the 200 MA. The 200 MA was about $3, and the stock was trading at like $3.80. This will be a 2 here. It wasn't above 50%. It set right about 40 to like 38%, so this will be a 0. It was under $10. I bought it. When I bought it, it was about $3.99, so about $4. So this will be a 1. And it was the number 3 stock in the market when I traded it this morning. This would be a 1. It did not reach any all-time highs. This will be a 0. If we had all these numbers together, this will give us a score of 9, which makes SNGX an A quality stock. So let's go ahead and get into the chart to see how we traded SNGX. This is our stock on the 1-minute chart, SNGX. We entered our trade about 6:33, close to 6:34. And it was for the break of this high of day. High of day was at 398. So I have it right here at $4, but it was $3.98. And I went ahead and I looked at the daily. The next resistance on this daily was at that 416. If I can go all the way back, it shows right here a lot of resistance at that 416. So I marked that spot off as the next big resistance point in which I think it would reverse off of according to the daily chart. So I went ahead and marked that off. So it retraced here from that high of day at 4. As it came back up, I purchased shares for that break. You know, it was a dip trade. It dipped down, and I entered. When I entered, I filled at $3.99. So I kind of filled right there at that high of day, and it kept surging a little bit higher. And I was hoping that it would hit that. That it would hit that 416. I exited as it ascended higher. I got out at about $4.12. So I was able to buy 516 shares of this at that $3.99, and I exited at $4.12. So that gave me about 13 cents of profit on 516 shares. That gives me a profit today of $67.18. You know, like I said, it's another A quality stock that we traded it. Today was a very slow morning, and everything else was basically a 4 to a 1 according to our True Telos Trading grading scale. So we sat here for about maybe an hour to 2 hours waiting for something to pop up, but our patience did pay off, and we got an A quality stock and we were able to trade it with profit, and that is True Telos Trading. It feels really good to start the Monday off with a positive trade. You know, something that I want to keep going, you know, staying disciplined and sticking to our strategies. It's a little bit hard, especially when the market moves a little bit slower, but it's something that we have to keep doing if we want to continue to grow the account. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask me. As always, I am an open book, and I have a million questions for you, and I hope you enjoy this journey. Welcome to True Telos Trading, and I will see you tomorrow.